2018 Jaguar Fpace Upgrade 10-point to 5-inch screen tutorial. First, remove the cigarette lighter. Pry out the air outlet. Remove the screws. Remove the decorative strips on both sides. Pry out the air conditioner button panel. Remove the keypad. Unscrew the screen screws. Unscrew the screen. Unscrew the driver's seat screw. Lift the seat to find the host. Unplug the power cord. Power cable adapter. Plug the other end back into the host. Wiring location. Pry out the right side guard. Start walking the antenna. Installing the screen. Locking screw. Reinstall the air conditioning button panel. Reinstall the air outlet. After the installation is completed, let's take a look at the effect.